Metal, iron, furniture, and home decor items have gained popularity due to their durability, versatility, and timeless appeal. Here we are back again with another amazing video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my channel. Your response regarding my channel is so phenomenal. I would like to say thanks to all of you. If you want to watch such type of video on daily basis, then do subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the like button. Metal and iron are known for their sturdiness and the longevity. They can withstand heavy use and are resistant to wear and tears, making them suitable for both indoor and the outdoor setting. Metal and iron can crafted into various style, design, ranging from modern to contemporary to vintage to rustic. They can be shaped into intricate design or a sleek minimalist form, making them suitable for different interior design and the themes. Metal and iron furniture require minimal maintenance, regular cleaning with the damp cloth, and mild soap is usually sufficient to keep them looking good. Additionally, they are less prone to stain and spill compared to the other materials like wood and plastic. Metal and iron furniture are highly resistant to weather elements, making them ideal for outdoor use. They can withstand exposure to sunlight, rain, and the humidity without wrapping or deteriorating. Metal and iron furniture and the decor ideas in the item often have a slim profile, making them a great choice for small spaces. Their open design allow light to pass through, creating an illusion for more space and preventing a cramped feeling. Choosing metal and iron furniture and the decor item can have a ecological advantage. These materials are often recyclable, reducing waste and the demand of new sources. Options for recycled and repurposed materials and iron furniture can further minimize environmental impact. Metal and iron furniture can act as a statement piece in your home decor. They often have bold and the distinctive design that can add character and the visual interest to any room. Metal and iron furniture and the decor pieces can easily combine with other material like wood, glass, fabric, allowing for creative and the unique design combination. Mixing material add depth and texture to your room. Remember to consider your specific need and preferences when choosing metal and the iron furniture, such as style, comfort, and intended usage. Ultimately, the choice of furniture and the home decor, metal and iron material is matter for personal preference and the styles. There are many other materials available such as wood, plastic or glass that may be better suited for your taste and needs. It's important to choose materials that align with your design preferences, lifestyles, and the budget. If I would say the metal and the iron furniture and the home decor items are budget friendly, then you can say that no, it's not, but I will prove myself. First of all, we will go with the longevity. Metal and iron furniture have highly durable and can last for many years with proper care. Unlike furniture made from other material that may need to be replaced or repaired more frequently, Metal and iron furniture can provide long-term value and the saving. Metal and iron typically require minimal maintenance. They are easy to clean and generally do not require special treatment or products. This can help save on maintenance cost compared to furniture that require more delicate care or specific cleaning methods. Metal and iron furniture is widely available in a range of style and the price point of view, from basic design to more elaborated pieces. There are options to suit different budget. Additionally, the popularity of metal and the iron furniture has increased, leading to more competition among the manufacturers, the retailers, and the shopkeepers. Due to their durability and timeless appeal, metal and iron furniture often retain its value well. If you decide to sell or upgrade your furniture in the future, there may be a market for used metal and the iron pieces, allowing you to recoup some of your initial investment. It's worth noting that the cost of a metal and the iron furniture and they can vary depending upon the factors such as the quality of material, craftsmanship, and the brand reputation. It's advisable to compare prices, quality, and customer review to ensure you're getting the best value for your budget. Metal and iron furniture and the decor pieces often offer cost effective option compared to furniture made from high-end and the exotic material. While there can be a luxury or the designer space in metal and the iron, there are also more affordable alternatives available. This will allow you to find furniture with your budget without compromising on style and the durability. Metal and the iron furniture can be excellent choice for do-it-by-yourself enthusiasts or those looking to upcycle existing pieces with some creativity and the basic tool. You can transform and repurpose old metal and the iron furniture, giving it a new life and saving money in the process. This do-it-by-yourself approach can be budget-friendly alternative to buying brand new furniture. In the event that metal or iron furniture piece get damaged on their need a repair, it can often be relatively straightforward and the cost effective to fix. Minor issues like scratch or dents can be easily repaired using simple technique or the do-it-by-yourself method. Additionally, individual components of metal and the iron furniture, such as chairs, legs, or table frames, can sometimes be replaced without needing to replace the entire piece. Metal and the iron furniture come in a variety of design, style, and range. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and